It's 2025 already, and you are still making excuses that you'll start tomorrow. But we all know that tomorrow will never come. I know you all want to be cozy and comfortable in winters. You don't want to get out of your bed, you just want to watch movies, and that's completely okay if you are happy with who you are and what you are becoming. But if you want to become your best version in 2025, then this won't do. And don't worry, I'm not gonna tell you to do workout, eat healthy food, wake up early because ये सारी चीजें तो हम सभी जानते हैं. So in this video, I'm gonna tell you something that we don't usually talk about, but these small changes can have a big impact on your life. And now we have to start taking some steps towards ourselves so that we can become our best version in 2025. Because if it's not now, then when? First thing first, I want you to let go of your past. Okay, so what I mean is, suppose you had set a goal last year and somehow you couldn't achieve that goal in the last year. And now, when you are settling your new goals for this new year, you might have an internal fear that what if इस बार भी तुम इसे achieve ना कर पाओ तो? And this will directly lead to self-doubt. अब अगर स्टार्टिंग से ही तुमने सेल्फ डाउट करना स्टार्ट कर दिया तो हाउ विल यू बी एबल टू सेट गोल्स और हाउ विल यू बी एबल टू बिकम योर बेस्ट वर्जन एंड इट्स टोटली ओके इफ समथिंग डिडंट हैपन लास्ट ईयर एंड इट डज नॉट मीन दैट इट विल नेवर कम ट्रू. So now it is your time to do all those things that you've always wanted to do. And I know this because it happens with me too. Second one is make journaling your habit. Oh, but I don't have time for this. I don't know how to write journal. It takes too much time, you know. Listen guys, I've already made a short video on the benefits of journaling. So I'm not going to repeat all that again, but trust me, once you start writing journal, there is no going back. And still, if you don't have that much time, you can just journal in 2 or 3 sentences. It does not have to be a whole page, okay? And journaling is the best tool for self-reflection. So give yourself a challenge like 21 days challenge of journaling. Third one is decluttering your social media. Now you might have followed so many people on social media who doesn't add any value to your life or doesn't even serve you now. Like it could be your toxic friends or people who does not like you, but you still follow them so that they won't feel bad about it. And sometimes like you are watching negative content for hours, the content you consume can really have a big impact on your brain and your productivity. And now I'm not telling you that you should not watch funny videos or just watch motivational kind of things. Of course, you can watch whatever you want, but it would be great if you surround yourself with good content and good people. फिर चाहे वो आपके सोशल मीडिया की ही बात क्यों ना हो. So just as you want a clean surrounding, your social media should also be clean time to time. Number 4 is start stepping out of your comfort zone and challenge yourself. Because when you challenge yourself, you'll know about your exact potential. And this doesn't mean that you have to take very big challenges. You can just try to take small steps or small challenges that will make you step out of your comfort zone. For example, if you want to wake up early and usually you wake up at 8 a.m., then try to challenge yourself that I will be waking up at 7:30 a.m. And slowly, this is how you will step out of your comfort zone and reach your exact potential. Number 5 is learn to stay in the present. I have taken this for granted for a very long time and now I have learned how important it is. You know, there are some times when you don't need to worry about your future or what will this person say or what will happen after this. Just try to stay in the present or the moment you are in and enjoy that moment. That's it. You don't have to worry about every single thing every time. Sometimes it could be just you and your happiness. So try to do it too. Number 6 is start prioritizing yourself over others and try to set boundaries. Okay, so many people have this habit like they always give priority to others and we kind of forget to put ourselves first. And I'm not saying that don't help people or don't do anything for others, just do it for yourself. No, absolutely not, because you should be kind to others. But by stopping to prioritizing yourself when things are unnecessary, will only make you less important in your own eyes. So in this new year, it will be great if you can prioritize yourself and stop seeking constant validation from others. Also, try to set boundaries with people who doesn't serve you anymore. Do tell me in the comment section if you want a separate video on this topic. Number 7 is start investing in your appearance. You might have heard this line, when you look good, you feel good. And trust me, that's actually true. And looking good doesn't mean that you have to buy expensive clothes or expensive jewelries. Just start looking for neutral color outfits, basic accessories, basic grooming products, and if you want, you can also try experimenting with your clothing style. And all of this will make you look a way better. And believe me or not, but the way you look is the first impression anyone will get about you. Number 8 is start practicing new skills. This could be anything like some big or small skills, some hard or soft skills. That's totally up to you what you want to learn in 2025. You can just take 2 or 3 skills that you want to master this year. For example, someone just wants to learn how to cook, how to do video editing, how to ride a bicycle, how to do swimming. And this could be anything which can enhance your life and your creativity. Number 9 is having a clean environment. Your environment plays a very crucial role in developing your daily habits. You might have also read this line in the book Atomic Habit. Suppose you enter in your room which is not clean. You will eventually get stressed up just by seeing that. So always try to have a clean environment, and this will also help you to increase your productivity. Number 10 is having a night routine. Everyone talks about their morning routine, which is obviously very important, but how you end your day is as important as how you start your day. And by having a night routine, you can wake up feeling refreshed tomorrow, like without any stress. Again, that's totally depend on you what you want to do in your night routine. For example, some people just do their night skincare routine, some people journal about their entire day, or some just love to read books way before bed, or some people just plan their next day in the night before. So if you want to become your best version, you have to implement these tiny habits in your daily routine. Number 11 is start exposing yourself to nature. Because when you start exposing yourself to nature, you will feel more connected to yourself. And this also has so many benefits like reduction in stress level, enhancing cognitive functions, creativity, productivity, and so on. And last but not the least, start reading self-help books or listen to audiobooks. I know many people love to read fictional books, but I think there should be some learning alongside the fun too, right? And I mean, it's completely okay if someone wants to read fictional books because it helps you create a reading habit. But when you also try to read self-help books, you will gain some knowledge and insights which will really help you in your personal growth and in your life's journey. I've already made a book recommendation video on top 5 books for beginners, so you can also watch that out too. And if you don't have that much time to read books, you can also start listening to audiobooks. So these were some few things that I really wanted to share with you all, and trust me, these small things and habits will really help you to become your best self in 2025. Also, a very happy new year to you and your family, and I hope that you learned so many things from this video. Also remember that you don't have to do every single thing in your first day. आप धीरे धीरे एक एक करके इन सारी चीजों को अपने रूटीन में इम्प्लीमेंट कर सकते हो. And please don't try to make things complicated by rushing with everything. So yeah, thanks a lot for watching this video till the end. Do share it with your friends and comment down your New Year's resolutions. And don't forget to subscribe this channel for more such valuable content. And I'll see you in the next one. Till then, keep improving.